I was just gonna say, so now I'm here waiting. I already dropped off my packages for UPS, and then I got back in the car. I turned on the Instacart and it said that there wasn't gonna be any batches anytime soon, so it would be a long wait. And I was waiting, and right away I got one. So it's not much. It's only like 4 miles away too, like a total of 4 miles. So not too bad. Let's go see. First store is Michael's. It was just a couple of items for about 5 miles. So I just left that order and now I got another order. It's from a grocery store and I think it's about 8 or 6 items for about 6 miles. I love when I find parking right next to the cart delivery thing. So I just delivered the second delivery and now I'm just on my way to go to some like nearby stores and see if I get anything along the way. Fingers crossed we get at least a few more for the day, you know? So we got the third order. It's not too bad. It's for about 10 units of one thing, which is like some chicken, and it's only like 2 miles down from the store, and it's Sam's Club. So it was not 10 units, it was only 10 pounds of chicken which I got, and so it was only 2 packs. I had to go over like 2 pounds, but we're on our way now. It says it's gonna be like 8 minutes to get there, which is not bad. So let's go. And it shows that there's no traffic going over there, and it shows that I will make it before the time that supposedly like Instacart gives you to deliver. So I just delivered and I got another order. I have to pee so bad. It's at a Costco 5 minutes away. Whew. The Costco ones usually give you a little bit more money, but damn, it's a workout. I'm like trying to be like really quick and efficient, but this Costco, they were kind of rude. All right, let's go deliver these. This was 2 orders this time at one store. Navigate. And my coffee is still cold. I love my little Grinch cup. My mom and dad got it for me. My mommy and daddy. 4 miles. It's 12 minutes. To you, I'm just a man. To you, I'm just a man. To me, you're all I am. Where the hell am I supposed to go? I poison myself again. Something in the old. Alrighty, shopper A is done. Now to location B. I always have to take up my claw clip because it bothers me when I drive, and I heard it's not safe. But we're getting hungry now. This is gonna be our last order, and then we have to go home because we do have the rest of our kitchen appliances coming in today. So we want to be there for that. All right, we're at shopper B. Last stop of the day. Okay, let's go home. We just got home, so we're taking out Ivory to go potty, and she's already like immediately pooping, so that's good. And then we're gonna go inside and get started on dinner. Let's cook some dinner, and we're gonna watch The Star Ariel on Alanize. We're gonna cook some chicken legs right now with some white rice and probably some broccoli. Because I think that's like all the vegetables we have right now is broccoli, bell pepper, carrots, and that's all we have left. So we're gonna work with what we got right now. I was gonna hand out 3 extra crispy combos. We got a new fridge. Let's unwrap her. It's like really firm. Like you gotta make sure this closes right. Because if not, or is it this? Maybe it's this. Ahora sí, ahora sí. Oh, she was open for too long. She gonna blow. Yeah, cállate. ¿Cómo pago? Lower arm. Turn off. Hush. So these are nice because like you can pull them out if you need to. But it stops. Let me show you. So this is nice. That little stopper there is so that you can pull them out, but they won't fall out, and you could still like say you need something from the back. Oh, let me just get a little closer. Coolness, nifty.